Hello and welcome to the How To series for the AlphaCX app. My name is Muna Munju. I am the AlphaCX, the customer success lead at AlphaCX platforms. Today I'll be showing you how to create a ticket. To create a ticket, you must already have customers already on your database. If you do not have any customer, you would not be able to create a ticket because it is important that you have a customer on ground before you create a ticket. You can check our video on how to create a customer to actually find out how the process goes. And so to create a ticket, we go to this panel, which is always consistent regardless of whatever page we're on. You can check our video on how to navigate through the AlphaCX app to see why it's actually always consistent regardless of whatever page you're on. So you tap the create button here and it takes you to this drop down where you can actually select either to create a customer or to create a ticket. And so I want to create a ticket in this case, so I tap ticket. The ticket form would come up. There it is. And so I want to create a ticket for a customer in my database. Now for this field here, you can actually search for a customer based on their last name, email or phone number. I want to pick last name, and the customer that I want to look for or search for is last name starts with E, and so I tap the E button and it does a search for me and gets me the customer details that I am searching for. Oh, sorry, I did not tap that. I tapped something else. All right, there it is. So here we have the stages, the ticket stage. You can learn how to create and edit your ticket stage by checking out more of our videos on our YouTube channel. So I'm selecting in progress because I want to start working on the ticket, and then I choose the category that it fell under, probably complaint. So let's tap C, and it helps us to search for categories that have C in them basically. So I pick complaint, and then it's very urgent, so I choose the priority urgent. And so I can put here software bug complaints, that's already here, and then I add a description like handle urgently. And I create the ticket, or I can decide to add more information by simply clicking the additional options button here. Additional options helps me to let the person who would probably be taking up ticket from me, or to let people who want to generate reports to see more details about a ticket. So details like channel, I can add the channel that the customer came in through. This is for purposes because on the AlphaCX app there are already channels that you can connect to your AlphaCX. So there's a WhatsApp, there's Facebook, there's Instagram, there's Twitter, there's email, and then there's a live chat, even SMS as well. But in case your tickets come in from other channels like the help desk itself, although the help desk channels are already categorized under help desk, which is the AlphaCX app itself. So whenever you're doing the reports building and you need to check for tickets that were created on the help desk, you can actually see that. But in case you want to add more channels like walk-in, you want to be more specific, because actually a walk-in can be created on the help desk, a call can be created on the help desk, because we do not have any contact center integration yet, but we can integrate with your third party applications that you use for your call or contact centers. So you can actually just specify which channel it is coming in before it was created on the help desk, and that can be done by just clicking the channel here. I have already created calls and walk in, so I can just pick walk in because person probably walked into our office. The tags, you can create tags right there on the spot, and they're there for actually differentiating or filtering particular or peculiar cases. And so there's this tag that I already created here, and it is urgent because it is quite an urgent issue. And if I want to attach any file, I can go ahead and just tap here and attach a file. You can attach a CSV file, you can attach a PDF file, you can attach a picture, based on whatever your need or preferences are. But I will not attach any file to this, and so I just create the ticket. Once I create the ticket, it reflects on the database, and I'm talking about here on the tickets page that shows all the tickets that are created on the CRM and also the ones that came in through the different channels that there are. So here we see that is the second ticket created here. It is in progress. We see at a glance everything that has to do with tickets, the name of the customer, the ticket ID, the subject of the ticket, the category it belongs to, the stage, and it is not assigned yet because I have not selected the ticket distribution system. Ticket distribution system is basically what helps you to distribute your tickets evenly amongst your team members. For now, we only have the efficiency distribution system that takes your ticket to a team and also gives the ticket to somebody who has less work, which helps the team to be more efficient and productive. And so here you can see the ratings in case the ticket has been closed and the customer has sent their feedback or rating, and you can see when it was created. And so you can access the customer's profile from here on the tickets page, and you can also access the ticket ID. So sorry, my network is failing me. It's taking time. Okay, so I went back to the ticket page. You can access the ticket ID by just clicking the number of the ticket. It takes you to what seems like a conversation page where you can update the tickets if you want to. See here the details that were there. So I want to update the tickets. I want to assign it to somebody. So this can be done even after it has been assigned to someone by the system or the tickets distribution system. So I want to assign it to Miss Jemima. So I just put Jemima and then I update the ticket. And so it'll be updated. Once this is, sorry, my network is failing me. I have quite bad network today. All right. So we're waiting for it to refresh. Once it refreshes, you can see the page of the ticket. It would have shown that we have changed who it was assigned to, and that is how you create a ticket on the AlphaCX app. It's quite easy and is quite seamless to do. You can also check out ticket details from your conversations page. So the conversation shows where all the different channels coming. You can check our walkthrough video to see, the different things that are in the conversations page and how it works. So that's the end of the video. Until the next one, do not forget to like our channel and to subscribe to it as well to get notifications whenever we have new features that we want to show off. Want to show you how to use those features, and also when we have webinars so that you can join us live and get information on how to maintain a customer relationship as well. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.